girl doll on a bike ride. So let's get started. And if your American Girl doll has a helmet, I recommend putting it on her. Here I go. This is why she needs a helmet. Hey guys, so we were thinking that we're either gonna go to the park or around the block, and we decided that we're gonna go around the block then to the park. Let's go. Hey guys, so we made it to the park and now we're gonna go fly. You can walk on. And you get to be a spider. But make sure before you hang upside down, you better tuck in your t-shirt. So that no one will ever be embarrassed again. Well, not ever again. I like going to the huge circle in the middle and going upside down. And sometimes I like making like a pasta stuff. Pushing my American Girl doll on the swing. And after this, we're going to go to the bigger swing so I can swing. Hey guys, so we're on the big swings and she wanted to take a nap. And she doesn't even realize she still has her helmet on. She seems tired. So let's let her rest. Bad. These swings go very, very low. I'm gonna try and jump off really, really far. And I'll get back to you guys when I do. Get high enough so I can jump off. Hey guys, I'm finally high enough, so I'm gonna jump. And you should always wait at least 2 times and then jump. It's really fun. Then after it, your swing goes bananas. But sadly, it's time to leave the park. So let's go I'm gonna go get my bike and put my doll in, and then we'll be off. Hey guys, so I really hope you guys liked this video. Sadly, it's time to go home. I hope you guys liked it a lot. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Here I go.